So it's your girl Aya coming to you guys today with a review on this wig that I'm wearing from the Shake and Go Naked Natural Brazilian Human Hair Collection. This is going to be a lace front wig with a wet and wavy type of style. I have it in the, I have it right now, as you guys can see, styled wet, and I am loving it. Now it is dry. I did go ahead and allow it to air dry, and this is how the curls come out. I have it in a loose deep curl pattern. And I am loving this when it dries down. Oof, the waves are just gorgeous. Man, you beauty supply store here, y'all better stop sleeping on it. It's still bomb. I mean, I know we got bundles and virgin hair and all that other stuff, but honestly, that virgin hair is basically blended hair if y'all really want to get down to the nitty gritty. Unless it's absolutely raw coming from one donor, that virgin hair is not 100% virgin hair. So let's go ahead and in that right now. But anyway, this is the style loose deep 100% human hair. This is their Brazilian natural human hair. You can bleach it, dye it, perm it, do what you need to. You can definitely revert it back to its, dry state, wand curl it and things like that, which would be perfectly fine. But right now it's the summer and I wanted some waves. I don't want to wear it dry. I want to wear it nice and wavy. So I just took a little water to it, and then I added some of the milk and honey, the Lotta Body milk and honey curl defining mousse, and I allowed it to air dry. And look at that. Man, this is so pretty. Here is the length on me. It's probably maybe about a good I want to say 22 inches long. So you get a lot of hair. It's not a very straggly looking wig. It's a very good looking wig, as you guys can see. So let me give you a little 360. Look at these waves, man. Ooh. Do y'all see how good this hair flows? It flows a really good job. You're not gonna see not one track. Look at that. Oof. This was a good buy, okay? I definitely recommend this unit to you dolls, okay? If you're looking for a very inexpensive human hair wig and you want it now, you don't want to wait, I will leave purchase links down below, okay? Ooh, you cannot tell me nothing. Now, you do have to go in and do a little work. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Y'all saw me, plucking and doing all that other stuff to it. That's because you do have to put some work into it to make it look, look like your own. I mean, you don't necessarily have to add baby hairs or anything like that. You can actually get away with not having baby hairs to it, but I decided, hey, it is what it is. But this is definitely a good look, for the summer is coming to an end, but we still taking vacations. We still going to summer parties and things like that. We still have the festivals to go to. So I highly recommend this wig, okay? Highly recommend it. Definitely good for beginners as well who are wanting to, get a human hair wig but are not willing to spend, a lot of money on it. Definitely get this wig. It's really pretty. I believe right now on some sites it's under, I want to say 150. Don't quote me, but it's under 150 on most sites. But this is gorgeous. Ooh, baby. Like, okay. Come through, Beauty Supply. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling on. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. If you will definitely purchase it, or if you have purchased, or if you were interested in purchasing it, comment down below. Let's discuss. I'm going to go ahead because I got another review for you guys. So I ain't going to let this makeup go to waste either. So I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye. Dolls, you guys, I know you guys are like, are we being catfished? But anyway, this hair and quality of the hair is bomb. Do you guys see how it looks when it's brushed out of the wet state that I had it in? Nice, luscious. It has a lot of body, very minimum shedding, no tangling whatsoever. The hair is nice and soft, and I just can't say rave enough about this wig. Under $120. Definitely share this video if you love it. And I will talk to you dolls later. Bye.